Ms. Jones, a celebrated and creative teacher, often felt distracted, much like her students with ADHD. One hectic day, she noticed Alex fidgeting and zoning out during maths. Frustrated, she raised her voice, which only pushed him away. That night, reflecting on ADHD, she stumbled upon Dr. Ekiyor's workshop. This was a turning point that broadened her perspective. She began to see ADHD as a unique way of thinking. Empowered by this new understanding, Ms. Jones reimagined the classroom as a series of learning zones, quiet corner for focus, interactive spaces, and calming areas. With the help of visual schedules and timers, our students coped better and thrived. They actively participated and shared their ideas, instilling a sense of hope and progress in our classroom. By embracing our ADHD traits, you see, Ms. Jones turned chaos into creativity, demonstrating the power of understanding and support in unlocking every student's potential. Are you a Ms. Jones out there? I see you.